What is this? What have you got me?
This is your car.
I mean, I wanted a 10-minute car, not a 10-second car.
You could push that across the finish line or tow it.
You couldn't even tow that across the finish line.
No faith.
Oh, I have faith, but this isn't a junkyard, this is a garage.
Pop the hood.
Honda H2s, no shit. You need $15,000 or more and some overnight parts from Halfords.
Put it on my tab at Halfords.
Great success.
A few moments later.
Right, quick walk around then of the latest purchase by all three of us, me, Dan and Bart, gone in 3 ways on this for a sort of try build for next year, looking absolutely epic. So it's a full West Wings body kit. We've also got the fenders, which I'll show in a second, which go over here and over the back. Got this sort of crazy bonnet, and we'll show what's under there in a second. Coming back, got the full spoiler and everything as well. Coming back into the rear, looking really cool with that rear diffuser now underside is nice and tidy, so hopefully it picks up in here, but you can see aluminium arms, sort of all sorts of new suspension and stuff coming around underneath as well. And the actual arches, air ride, as you can see, all tucked in there. This is obviously all aired up at the moment. That's been sat for a while, was an unfinished project, so certain bits like where these have all been tubbed, we've got surface rust coming through, which we're going to need to treat and sort out. And obviously some of the kit's not also been blended in. We've got like various sets of rear lights, various bits of interior, and stuff to kind of get it finished. And then under here, got some custom arms, and as you can see there, and with all the air ride side of things, interior wise there's like nothing really. And then all the over fenders and stuff knocking around in here as well. Pretty basic, needs a big clean, but definitely all the right stuff to get this car looking absolutely epic. And then if we look under in the actual main piece as well, don't know how easy this is going to be to lift these. H-series swap turbo manifold, but no turbo on at the moment, looking pretty ropey. Probably going to put a standard exhaust pipe on to start with, but yeah, aluminium radiator, got kind of all the fuel regulators and stuff all knocking around in here. Battery relocation into the boot as well, but yeah, little Mugen thing on top. Yeah, reckon it could be a really cool build. Spoon obviously styling and paint scheme going on under here at the moment, but yeah, very, very cool.
No more receipt chaos. Keep your bookings.
So then, right, a Civic on the channel, absolutely amazing. So now we've got cars to attend pretty much every show. One crucial thing to mention with this particular build is this is not going to be happening in the first half of 2026. The main focus is obviously still on the first car, first mods, as we can see here with the Rosa behind me. That is the goal, and that is what we are pushing for at the moment with all three of us, both me, Dan and Bart. Both getting all of our cars ready for unveiling at that show. The Civic was just too good of a deal to pass up, and so we ended up with, as you saw, the car there with all the very, very nice bits on it, plus a van full of parts as well, and a spare 2.2 litre H-series engine, and then a load of various other bits as well. So a few of those bits are going to end up probably being put up for sale to recoup some of those costs, but yes, very, very cool indeed. Epic to have that car. There's a few of those floating around in the States, and they are always absolutely amazing. So, I mean, if anyone's got any of those, I think they're Racing Heart wheels, 5 spokes in 19s. I will be very interested in talking to you, because I think those sort of wheels on that particular build would be absolutely amazing. As I said, doing this alongside Bart and Dan at the moment, so we're going to be doing this on sort of this channel, on their current channel, and then we're also going to be setting up an entirely new YouTube channel for that particular content, because all three of us are going to be working on it together, and there is some very exciting stuff coming in the new year with regards to a slightly bigger space, which is going to be purpose for exactly what we are doing with that Civic, which is to rebuild that car entirely and make it absolutely amazing for 2027. So thanks everyone for watching. Stay tuned for more content. Obviously more stupid financial decisions always around the corner, and yeah, I will catch you on the next one. See you later.